Scrunchy gang. Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, subscribe down below. I talk with my hands a lot, so this shirt might not work. Today I'm doing a fun little video for y'all. It's how to survive high school, or if you're new, kind of like high school advice. You know what I mean? I'm gonna do another video specifically to freshman advice, all that kind of jazz. But for now, just how to deal and how to survive high school. Okay, quick question. I filmed a Get Ready With Me, and it's like a chit chat one. Oh my gosh. I filmed for about an hour getting ready, and talks about things I've been through, like depression, period stories, just some deep questions, kind of like a Q&A. There's a lot of like good content in there, but it's 30 minutes after I already filmed it, edited it, all that. I could only get down to 30 minutes for all the good stuff, you know? So I would like to know if y'all would actually watch it. I don't know. I really like the video. It's 30 minutes long, and I don't know if y'all will watch it. I might upload it, and if no one watches it, no one watches it. But I really want y'all to watch it and just find some fun stuff. And there's interesting facts talking about depression, my highs and lows, my accomplishments, just stuff like that. So please let me know if you'll like to see that. Okay. So let's just get on with the video. Alright, so tip number 1 is to manage your time. Managing time is so important, and you're gonna have to learn this either way in high school or outside of high school. Time management is one of the biggest, most important thing to have or to adapt to in high school, because no matter what, that deadline is coming, hun, and you're gonna fail, you're gonna pass. So let's get that together. Also, time management is something you cannot avoid. Like, either you have it or you don't. And in your life, like, it's not just a school thing. You'll always need time management skills, so you might as well get it in school. So number 2 is kind of lame, I know, but it's important, okay? So sleep. Sleep is so important. I know it's like cool to stay up late and play video games, or cool to stay up late on your phone with a boyfriend, but come on, is your boyfriend going to give you the test answers? Probably not. If you have a test, sleep. Your body cannot function without sleep, so why would you not want to sleep, you know? And all y'all are talking about how you love sleep and how you can sleep till 12. Okay, well, sleep a little earlier and then it'll be perfect, you know? You still get your 9 to 8 hours depending on how much you sleep. If you love sleep, just sleep. And it'll make your brain function faster. Not faster, like more if you were tired. So honestly, sleep is so important, and it's the most underrated thing people think of when they think of school. Number 3 is to aim for good grades. Good grades are so important, and I know people struggle, and it's not something that it just happens. You do have to work for it. You have to work as hard as you can, and some people just aren't as good in history. I suck at history, you know, but I worked my butt off and I still got an A. And I mean, honestly, hard work is better than no work, you know? Aim for good grades and they will come. Number 4, it's 8 together, but it's 4 by itself, is to identify and confront stress. This is something that I understand a lot because I'm so stressed out. I play 2 sports and I maintain A or above average, like A average grades, and it's stressful, let me tell you. But at the same time, I know what stresses me out. Most of the time it's either my priorities are not straight, if I'm slacking a little bit, or my time management skills are down the drain. So honestly, let's just be honest, people are like, school stresses me out, this stresses me out. Oh my god, Cheryl, did you hear that they're making me do this? Okay, hun, you're gonna have to do that no matter what. So, you know that. Like, put it in your calendar and figure it out that way, because either way, you don't have to stress. You could just know it's coming up, do it early, then what's the stress about? There's no stress when you do it that way. And that's something I had to learn, because I would do everything last minute, and especially for my college classes, that was terrible. Literally, I would stay up with my friend on FaceTime at 11 o'clock. It was due at 11:59, And we were stressed, and we're like, oh my gosh, we're gonna make it. You know what? We're like 200 counts short, workout. Let's just turn it in and see if she notices. Ha ha ha. She notices, okay? So, I'm sorry, that was like a real life. It happened every time we had a paper. That's why it's so funny. But we were like, it stresses us out. If we put our stuff and got our papers done early, there'd be no stress at all. And I think it took us some time to get used to that. And when we did do that, it was actually crazy about how much stress we did not have. So most of the stuff that school stresses you out about is the small things that you do that stress it out. Number 5 is to get involved around the school, around clubs, around sports. If you like theater, get into theater, all types of clubs around your school. I bet you that you don't even know. Like, I had a culture club at our school. I was like, culture club, what do y'all do? They're like, eat. What? Like, why didn't I know about that? And I thought to myself, I need to get more involved. Even though I already was in like 4 different clubs, I wanted to get into more because it's fun, and then you make more friends, and then it seems less painful to come to school. So I think just getting involved in general is cool. But if you're like shy and nervous, I bet you if you go out and join a club, there will be people just like you, shy, nervous, because they've never really joined a club before, and this may be their first one. So also, if you are in a club, be nice. Be nice to everybody, because everybody's there for a reason. Sports. Most sports people get along unless they like competition or whatever, but whatever. Theater. You both like to be in theater. You both like to act, or you both like to do musicals or stuff like that, so why would you be mean to each other, you know? Tip number 6 is to be nice to everybody. Surviving school, y'all all have to do it. Yeah, people may be cooler than others, which is stupid. I hate that. But either way, y'all are both in the same boat. Maybe y'all both don't want to be here. That's something you'll have in common. You don't have to be a total butthead to people because you don't want to be there. Because I promise you, the people that you're being a butthole to, butthead, I don't remember which one I used, but are probably not wanting to be there either. Because they're scared of people like you. And they're scared to express themselves and be nice to people because they feel like they might get rude comments or stuff like that. I'm going to make a separate video on how to, like, not survive bullying, but maybe, like, just expressing bullying and things that people go through. So that is my 6 ways on how to survive school, deal with school. Let's just tell you, girl, we're all in this together until we that looks weird. I don't mean to do that, but like when I look forward, that's what happens, okay? I'm sorry. But we are all in this together. Why make it prison for everybody? Why don't we just have fun, you know? Like, yeah, learning sucks, but make friends, okay? Alright. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Comment down below if you would like me to do the video, the 30-minute video of the get ready with me, and I will be sure to post that. I might post it either way, so if you already see it on my channel, sorry. But I had a lot of fun making it, so. Oh yeah. Thanks for watching. Bye. Mwah.